Yeah, this one. Woo! That shit too sexy, Lord.
Aye, yeah.
In 2.6 miles, take exit 14 onto US 264 East.
Yo, let me fill her up.
Where you was at? We taking them out, no, I'm tripping, don't know what I'm thinking about. Get up on them bags, he was giving it out. Bitch on my dick trying to figure me out. With my hand is a Glock, I be shooting it out. See these bands, and that's what they hating about. I'm with Mace, we running, we chasing them out.
Hold up, chill, what is that hype about? The fuck I'ma type about. Big son, shit good, she got the pipe out. Whole lot of sticks in this bitch like the White House. We got them guys.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Warrior Cat back in with another video for today's video, man. What we finna do, bro?
Shit.
Man, I was off the fucking shrooms, bro. If y'all seen this video, bro, I was off the shrooms. I was fucking off the gas.
Good though.
That gas was good as hell. Hit my nigga Martin, man. We was whipping the fucking Hellcat, bro. This nigga has a Hellcat at 15, but that's really on some inspirational shit right there. Fucking Helly at 15. But y'all gonna see this shit in the video, man. If the fucking sound weird,
Where you wanna get in from?
Huh?
Where you wanna get in from?
We at school right now.
You wanna get in from within the main lobby?
Oh shit, I forgot we're at fucking school right now.
See this? I wish these was pistols. I would pistol whip the fuck out your ass for saying some stupid shit. But y'all know you didn't mean it though.
A nigga tripping. Y'all, we fucking went off campus and went to go smoke and shit. And I forgot, we back at school. I'm tripping. But we could just go in right here until somebody open the door. But yeah, y'all gonna see we did a hot box with my nigga Mari. Hey! Come open the fuck. They ain't see me. Come here. She see my ass. Right. Appreciate you. Y'all gonna be in the vlog?
You always record.
No, we doing the video today. Yo, what's good? Bro, y'all don't even know, bro. Y'all don't even know what you just did, bro. We was fucking out in the fucking Hellcat, nigga. I was looking for you, bro.
I was over there. You was over
You said second period we couldn't go. I had to leave right away, and I texted you.
Hellcat?
His Hellcat.
Francisco does not have a Hellcat.
Bro, his car outside the blue joint.
No, Francisco had a Hellcat.
Hell yeah, we was just pushing that motherfucker.
Where y'all going?
Back to class. Chill out.
Straight in the face.
When I get the water gun back, it's over. When I get the water gun back, it's over. I'm gonna get that nigga back. You already bring my water gun. You know what water gun I got? Feel me, gang? No cap. That's a hard fit though. Yeah. So let me fill her up.
No, yeah.
And I gotta get back. Hold up. You my cameraman, bitch.
Ted with the gun. He really shooting shit for real though. He really shooting shit. Let's go get back, man.
We get it back.
Hey, bitch.
I feel like it's on. Hey, recording.
Oh shit. Oh. He done got big rich ass. Damn, he got them niggas running, gang. He got these niggas running, gang.
No, I got you. We on the team. I promise you.
Put it on your mother.
Back here. Oh God.
Put it on your mother.
Bro, give me the damn shit.
Put it on your mother. You on my team. Hey,
Oh God.
You making a truce. Fuck that.
About to wet his ass up.
Bro, don't fucking grab me like that. What the fuck wrong with this nigga? Grab the off-white like that. I should smack the shit out this nigga.
Why are you crying?
Tristan. Bro, I know this nigga hear me calling this nigga. Bitch, I know you hear me calling you. Fuck going on? You feel me? Slime, big slime.
It's good.
Bro, guess what I just did, bro?
What?
Like, I was just in a fucking Hellcat, bro.
Who Hellcat?
Don't worry about it. You gonna see on the vlog. You gotta watch the vlog to find out.
Oh, you posting this shit?
Hell yeah. Edit this motherfucker.
Hey, Miss Right First.
How you doing?
Hey, but y'all nigga follow me on Instagram though, like.
But they already followed your bitch ass.
Y'all need to follow me again, nigga.
Fuck them. They don't even like you.
Man, fuck them.
Oh, you gonna be on a vlog today? Huh? You gonna be on a vlog today? It's hot as hell. What's the word, my nigga?
Man, y'all know what the fuck going on, man. Fuck with me on Instagram, fuck with Tris, you feel me? We about to see what niggas on, you feel me?
But guess what I was just at, bro? Nigga was in a Hellcat. In a fucking Hellcat.
Like just now?
Yes, bro. Hot boxing.
You don't smell like no.
I did not know where you was at, bro.
Yeah, you bullshit.
Bro,
You was a bullshit ass nigga. Look.
How you gonna tell me come smoke?
Don't ask me come smoke you up no more.
How you gonna?
Gang, you a cap ass nigga.
Where you was at? Where you was at?
I wasn't here. Fast. I wasn't here. You could've texted me though.
Where you was at? We could have picked you up. Where you was at?
Who's here?
We could have picked you up.
They don't.
So what's up to the vlog, bro? Who we here with though? Who we here with? Kayla, tell me your Instagram. Huh? Tell me your Instagram. What y'all got to say since y'all got so much to say? Since they got so much to say. But bro, for me, you was nowhere, bro, to be found.
Gang, you ain't text me.
Gang.
You ain't text me.
We had to make it fast, gang. It was nothing we could do. It was in a split second, bro. We wasn't even thinking.
Part 2 win.
Part 2 Wednesday. If there's a part 2, we gonna feel me. I'm gonna text you, bro. And we gonna be out
tomorrow.
On my mother's soul.
Tomorrow.
He said he busy tomorrow.
That's a Wednesday.
Damn, today's Tuesday. I'm tripping. Shit. Thursday. What you was looking at? Ass? What you was looking at?
No.
Bro, y'all seen this nigga face? But what's the word though?
No.
What's the word though? Thursday.
Bro, it don't matter.
Thursday.
Alright,
My son, bro, what's good, gang? Ew, nobody want to see you on the fucking camera. No, you don't.
Bitch, nobody want to fucking
Do a
see
360 for the camera.
No, I'm good.
You got the car? You got the car?
No one got the car.
Why we in here? Come on. Let's go find some bitches. Alyssa. Damn, she going to juvie tomorrow, y'all. Free her.
We gotta tell everybody that.
Nah, we gotta tell everybody that.
You going to juvie tomorrow?
You should be going to juvie too.
Today.
This nigga did a home invasion with no ski mask, didn't steal nothing, and fucking ran from the cops. What type of white people shit is that? Man, I was just with my nigga Francisco in the fucking Hellcat.
It was in the Hellcat? Why are you lying, bro?
On my mama's soul. You ain't lying. Y'all, I'm supposed to be in seminar right now. My teacher right here. I hope she don't come tell me come to her to She's like, Kevin, you supposed to be in seminar.
I got her 5th period.
First?
5th.
I got her shit first. She ain't talking to me.
It might be too late to skip her class. I was about to skip. But
she just look right at me. Get some of those, my black brother. Keep going.
Damn, look at that.
I'm gonna lock you up. Bro, that's Rihanna right there. She bad as hell. I know you watching this, Rihanna.
What y'all?
I said, look, writing all my flaws, I see them all, so I just make a list. See, I'm standing tall until I fall. I really hate to quit. I know these people change, and it's a shame. That's what I hate to get. Really get up all up in my feelings. Really hate to spit. Wasn't where I'm at. Hop on the track, and then I made it lit. Not saying I made it what it was, but yeah, I made it this. All these people throwing shots, I really had to make a miss.
I don't care.
Listening, but we not really listening. Oh God, they really not listening.
Oh God, like after the first 5 bars,
I put you in your shit. Come here.
Let's get out of here.
I said, what the fuck? Her ass came out of nowhere. Who we with though? Who we with? Oh man, who we with, gang?
Alright, Julie, I know.
Who you with, bro?
School and booling, man. Niggas know how to wait with it.
Niggas on the last vlog said, why you talk like that, bro? They said, why you talk like that?
I don't know niggas how to talk. Oh, yeah, for sure.
Y'all go follow me though. You already know. Fall front of you on IG.
Follow me so hard to do.
CX. Show the
Oh, we got the Chubby Duckies on. Bro, you know what's crazy? I had them bitches. I had those, but I sold them, and I wanted those. Miss Jackson. Miss Jackson, come on now. You know the drill.
You gotta get a class. Mr. Cooper Thomas.
See what's up to the camera. Hey. They missed you from the last vlog.
No.
Nigga, y'all.
Move out this hallway.
Can I say the C word? Can I say the C word?
That's not no fucking slur.
That's not even.
Rich, big rich. You feel me?
Really?
What going on? My nigga. Hey, talk to the camera. Hold this bitch. I hate holding that shit. I need a cameraman.
I need people to be
cameraman.
I need people to be juju sexual. All the beautiful women.
Here. It's like when you get over here out the light.
She just wanna ride with a shot though. How you record?
Who you here with though? It's recording.
Oh, what the fuck?
Who you here with?
Huh?
Say who you here with.
What?
Say who you're here with.
We here with this nigga.
No, who
this
are
crackhead. Oh, then what the fuck?
I want to be famous. You want to be famous one day? I want to be famous one day.
Bro, that's why your ass walk out fucking first period yesterday, bro.
When?
She was funny as fuck. You was like, you saw the sub, and then you just walked the fuck
Where I'm going? Why you want to know where I'm going? Where you going?
Go back to class, but I'm probably gonna get written up.
So why you telling me you don't want to go back to class?
All right, man.
So now, where you going? Where are you going, bro? Mr. Cooper, come on. Get on there, get on there, get on there. Here with the camera, talk to her with the camera. Huh? Reserve with the camera.
Breathe. What's good, bro?
I don't know where it went.
Huh?
I don't got your number no more.
Why you don't got my number?
I don't know.
You deleted it out. Your nigga told you to delete it. He must be doing wrong. You coming back. But. You know what she said? Trying to let a young nigga crack that motherfucker. Sorry, nah.
He lying like shit.
No, I just got her number.
Okay.
Oh, God.
Oh, shit. It's her birthday. She finally not a child no more. And how old are you now?
I never was a child. I'm 15.
Police! Help! Police! Help! Help! Police!
I never was a child.
Still a child.
I never was a child. Don't play with me. I never was a child.
Why you tell me get out, bro?
Good, get out.
Y'all believe this a teacher right here? This really my little bro. Like, I go home and see him. He see my mom. Y'all know that's my brother for real? Yeah. What you cooking for dinner tonight? What you cooking for dinner tonight?
What you talking about?
Bro,
Get out.
stop playing.
Hey guys. I want to be in it. Bro, you're not even gonna post this for real.
I am, bro. I'm posting this shit tomorrow on my mother's soul.
Let's do a fit check.
Come on, fit check.
Fit check. All right, so what do you have on?
Off-white jacket.
Okay.
You got on, bro.
Okay, so you know, South have a shirt, and my cargos and my forces.
Nike shirt, Nike shorts, Crocs.
Wow. Wait, who are they?
Amber Sugar.
Who are they?
Where you going? No, you're not. The bell hasn't rung for you to go there again. What are you doing?
She was good. Say what's up.
You know you're not supposed to be. You know you're not supposed to be recording.
It's not recording.
You want me to shoot Trace about it? Because you're ass at football? This is trash.
What?
What? No, we're not talking about that.
Shit crazy.
Kevin.
What's going on? Yeah.
Back in the
cut. Back with the camera out there.
What the fuck?
What the fuck, man? Bro, guess what? I was just in the fucking Hellcat. Hot boxing, bro.
That ass?
Oh yeah. Uno.
My nigga Joe.
Bro. Where we going to, gang? Bro, y'all, a disclaimer from now, bro. I was smacked off the shrooms this whole video, bro. So y'all gonna see me like looking and zoning out, bro. And I don't be meaning to zone out, bro. Hell yeah. This the shroom experience.
The shroom experience in school?
In school.
Man, you about to go to lunch too?
Hey, yeah, come with me.
Man, I don't want to go to
You be my cameraman today?
Hey, yo, I got you.
Do I got you? Do I really got you, though?
I was not finna go to lunch.
Right. Might as well. Ain't shit to do in this bitch.
Goose, what?
Bro, did I get taller, bro? I feel like I got taller, gang.
Nah, I'm just short. I'm a short nigga. You feel me? I still packing hoes.
You get that bitch? Listen, let me talk to you nigga, bro. It's fucking hot as hell in this school, bro. Look at this shitty ass pizza they give me. Like, what the fuck is this? This shit look like a Minion. It's alright, man. You feel me? Second thing, it's hot as hell. It's not supposed to be this hot. Third thing, what the fuck is a true move?
Hold on.
What the fuck is a true move, bro? That's like Nesquik. Fake Nesquik.
We're doing a documentary.
Dude, would you eat this? Would you eat this food?
I don't like it.
Hell no. Hell no.
I must not know who the hell I am.
I want the, hey, I want the crowd pleaser, bro.
Want the crowd pleaser? Ready? Oh. Go ahead. Go ahead. That way. That way. Go down.
Look at that suck. Go ahead, King.
Stupid bitch!
Wait. He can't do that.
Hold up. This nigga funny as hell, bro. Talking about this man's age. Like what?
In 2.6 miles, take exit 14 onto US 264 East and US 64 East toward Rocky Mount.
Oh yeah, I heard that motherfucker, boy. Yeah.
I'm with that chopper, I never love it. So that your body boy come to shop. I saw us finish, you niggas know me.
Hey, I can turn the bitch pretty, she won't cut into this check. I just fuck this bitch.
What's going on, y'all, man? Back with another video. I'm off the shrooms right now. I took shrooms, gang. For real? Hell yeah. I'm off of them. Talk to the camera, talk to the peoples. About to do this hot box video for you.
You gonna let me fill up in that shit?
Bruh, y'all don't know. You know how much off-white this nigga got? You know how much off-white this nigga got, bruh? This nigga got off-white Amiris. I'm talking about him. Yeah. Bro, you should see this nigga closet, bro. Bro, look at his Instagram.
No, I be shit too in my closet, but I don't.
You like designer? Like when?
No, like I custom. Like my room is really full customized. Like I have shoe boxes hanging.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie. Between us, bro, I'm gonna be real. Like
you know Quan, right?
Huh? My room.
You know Poppy Quan, right?
Oh, you like, bro? Oh my,
bro! God, he be fired.
Carpets, you know the carpets. Yeah, I have all of them.
For real, bro. What the hell?
Positive, bro. No, I'm telling you, bro. I swear to God, when I be looking at Quan's video, bro, that shit be making me dead. Look at me now. Look at me now, bro. Look at me now.
Bro, I was just watching his interview yesterday, bro.
Bro, I be watching this shit every single day.
That Poppy Quan dude ain't gonna lie, bro. It's no way that he that rich, bro. Like I ain't saying it like that. That nigga.
Do you not know how long he been doing that fashion shit for?
I know, but bro, bro, think about it. He got like 3 SRTs and shit at one time.
Bro,
yes,
he has more than that.
Yeah.
That nigga had a
got some fucking money, bro.
He has his clothing brand. It's really his clothing brand plus his.
But I want like I want a SRT red, like all black, just all fucking black.
Which one is that's
I see the one right there.
RT.
I see that motherfucker.
Woo,
that shit too sexy, Lord. Shit fast as fuck.
I heard when y'all first drove by, I said, yeah, that's them right there. I said, I ain't even have to know or call y'all, and I said, yeah, that's them.
I said, wow, Mario gonna hear this shit from a mile away.
You damn sure right. I got out my bed and all.
That shit some Za though. It's
Za. It's some Za.
It tastes good as fuck.
It's Za.
This shit kicking already.
Bro, I'm trying to tell you, it's Za. But I'm gonna be real, bro. I feel like I be having way more potent shit than this. But
she's 17. She finna be 18.
Oh well, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Between me and you, bro, I know you want to see your sister happy. If you feel about how I feel about my sister, that's your baby. Like that's your everything, bro. And people ain't gonna get it when you say that. Like that's your everything. Like I swear to God, you
not even every brother's like that. You giving the challenge to your sister like that.
Right, I ain't gonna lie. Especially you giving the whole car to her, but you love her, cause I ain't gonna lie, bro.
Cause when I used to want to, what do you call it? When she used to have her whip, I would be like, let me whip that shit.
She'll let you.
She let me whip it like my way. How I want to whip it.
And I ain't saying it like that.
No, we had one like this.
We'll be young as hell. We'll be young, and they'll still like, bro. I ain't gonna lie, I got a cool ass aunt, bro. I ain't gonna lie. She used to let me drive her shit, and then I got an aunt that used to goddamn let me. Like, she'll leave and get a whole house to me. But shit.
Shit, what time the bell ring? Like 11:34 for third period, right?
Yeah, I was about to say, gang.
Shit, we can say some. Y'all can say some.
I ain't gonna lie. I was gonna say, bro, I'm gonna be real, gang. I don't think y'all gonna be able to go to the food hall.
Yeah.
Cause that shit.
Yeah.
About time you get there.
Yeah. By the time we get there, like
you gonna have to think about it. You gonna have to order the food. Yeah. But I'm gonna be real.
And it's gonna take long.
School about. Cause them lines there be long as fuck, bro. God. If y'all talking about the food, I'm talking about. You talking about the one with all
Morgan Street,
the rolls, all of it, bro. Oh my God, man.
That shit good.
That shit good as hell, but it's like, bro, that long line, you can't wait. About the time you get up there, you ain't gonna be high no more, bro.
But the food though, the food is amazing.
Yeah, the food is amazing. I fuck with that.
Yeah, that food.
But yeah, you going with your girl today?
Different.
Hell yeah. But look. Like do you feel like you're gonna be successful in life?
Hell yeah.
Alright then. Stay like that. Like I'm telling you, when you feel like you won't be me, I used to say to myself, like, man, I'm not gonna be successful. Like, look at me, right?
Bro, you see this YouTube shit, I really wanna do this shit for real.
No, for real. That's what I'm saying. Like, I'm out of school now. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Bro, I'm gonna be real. Well, you don't know, but this woman right here, this not even my real grandma, but I kid you not, when she passed away, bro, it's like everything get me died.
I'm telling you, my dad got fucking rifles, bro. I'm telling you,
like guns?
Yeah, no.
I ain't gonna lie. I like.
No, I shot one. I shot.
I like. I'm gonna put it to you like this. All right, let me put it to you like this.
You wanna know what my dad did with the AK-47?
What do you do?
It was like reloaded.
You got an AK?
Yeah.
Do you know what an ARP is?
ARP?
That long shit?
That.
Oh my goodness, bro.
I know you work hard, cuz.
Yeah, I do.
If you work hard, bro, I ain't gonna lie, you work just like me growing up. You worked all your life, basically, right?
Yes, it's
like even since you was a kid.
Yeah, like
bro, I at first you thought to yourself, bro, I don't care about this child endangerment or some shit, cause it's like you watching other kids have fun and shit. We grew up working.
Yeah. Go ahead back now.
But alright.
Y'all
boys be safe.
You want me to drop you off back, or you gonna say?
So I'm gonna just stay up.
Alright.
Nah, I ain't gonna lie, I ain't have my my car up there. My key, but another thing, my other keys and shit is in my what you call it? Only key I got is to my truck. So yeah, for right now. God, I'm hot as fuck, bro.
You gonna stay away or you gonna?
Y'all about to stay here.
Alright, safety 20. Fuck going on, y'all, man. We just finished the hot bar. We about to go back to the school. Feel me? Continue this little vlog. You gonna let me drive? Shit.
Sunday, so I swear to God, Sunday I got you, bro. I promise.
What the fuck? Bro, this bitch is excited. I don't even know how to sit in this bitch. I'm about to put it in.
Oh, they heard that bitch. That had to get it on video.
Oh, that was the beat? I heard that shit.
All you gotta do it.
Now we back.
Shit, Volley, that shit kind of blurry.
Huh? No, it's not. It's clear. You be on the camera game?
Okay, bye.